I look not so great. My name is Iga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, before the gym I usually shower. I'm not gonna shower today. I know it sounds weird, but that's just me. I shower before and after the gym. I'm not gonna do it today because I wanted to show this video. But usually when I shower before the gym, I do like a skincare routine because I feel like the sweat makes me break out. So I like to do it before and kind of protect my skin from my own sweat. And then I come back and I wash my face and put cream, and that's it. I do this. So I put on a mask first because then I wash it off in the shower. And this is the mask that I use. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. And I used to use this one, but it's empty. It's pretty much empty. Like, this is probably just for my nose area, which I'm gonna save because I get blackheads. My skin is pretty clear pimple wise. I do get like these little bumps on my skin, but that's mostly from eating too much sweets. Like, it just gives it away. And if I religiously use a scrub, it'll help, but it just never went fully away. So I think I just have to go to a dermatologist at this point. I'm all up in your face now and I'm gonna put on the mask. So I go like this. I put it all over my face. I use one mask at a time. I don't really like to use like 1,000 because I think that my skin gets bored of it anyway. So I might as well just finish the mask and then bring a new one in to my routine. Unless it's like for blackheads, then I use it all the time. Right now I'm washing. Let me show you. I literally just go like this with it. And that's it. With soap. So, hold on. And I take it on a towel. And I go like this. And that's all I do. And the Eco Tool brushes are so cheap that, you know, like once a year it would probably be good to change it, but you know how that goes. We don't clean our brushes over here, at least. Then I put this under my eye, and it's the Cucumber Detox eye pads from Peter Thomas Roth. See? And inside it looks like this, and I just spilled out a bunch of juice. Oh, alright, whatever. I don't like to touch it with my hands. I'm way too close. I don't like to touch it with my hands. They give you like this little thing and you basically raise it. I always forget which way it goes, so don't judge me. I think it goes this way. I don't know, but today it's gonna go that way. Alright, cool. Then I put on the other one. It doesn't say how long. Oh, 10 to 15 minutes. And I think the mask is a longer amount of time. Oh, and you're supposed to use it like 2 to 3 times a week, which is the amount of times I go to the gym. Yeah, this is 10 minutes. So I usually do the mask for the amount of time that I'm eating. So I'm gonna go eat my meal prep, and then I'll get back to you to how I finish it. I just wanted to show you guys my meal prep. So this is pan-fried tofu that was soaked in soy sauce, and the white things are sesame seeds. Alright, so I'm back. So I rinsed off my face first with water. I took off the little things, then I rinsed it with water. If I'm in the shower, I wash my face differently. When I'm not in the shower, I wash my face with this. It's a tester. I like it. I mean, I only use it because I have it as a tester. I used it maybe once or twice and my skin didn't react funny to it. Like, it was all fine. But usually what I use is BIODERMA. This, it helps me a lot. I use this, and then I bought this in Poland, but if you live in New York, I know they have this in Northside Pharmacy in Williamsburg. In Europe, it's just cheaper. They usually do like buy one, get one free. And in New York, like when you buy it out of Europe, you basically just pay for the shipping. That's why it's so much more. And then this is also Polish. And I use this after. And then I put on this oil. I do like this oil, but it's just, the consistency is so sticky. Like you have to give it a second to go into your skin. I like this brand. I also, when I have a pimple, I use these. I don't know if like it's just me, but I think the one in the glass works better than the one in the plastic. I don't know, that's just me. Maybe because I like the glass more. I don't put it directly on my face because I feel like then I touch the dropper onto my face by accident and it just doesn't go well. I let that sit for 5 minutes and then I wipe off the excess. So I'll be back. It's been 5 minutes. It's still there. And I dab it. It depends what I have on hand. I have a special face towel. Sometimes I use that moisturizer. Just a tiny bit, like this much. And I spread it. And then I pat it, because if I rub it, then I put all of it in one place. So I pat it first. And then I rub it. This on my eyes. I mean around my eyes. Oh, I got it. Alright. Then I put it around my eye. And usually I have my hair wet after the shower because I wash my hair every day. I really need to wash it today when I get back because it's oily. And I put it like this. Alright, so for the BCAA, I do it in a blender bottle. It's not really necessary, but that's just how I do it. And I bought my blender bottles in Whole Foods. So I open it up and I use this. It's called. So I grab 2 scoops like this. Not even 2. You're supposed to use 1, but this cup has double the amount of water, so I put 1.5. And then I pour the water in. And then you shake it. And you don't have to shake it for too long. That's it. And that's what I do before the gym. Nothing else really. Sometimes I pack extra set of clothes, but if I'm coming home, I'm gonna shower anyways. And I got my hair all wet. I end up, you know, changing at home, but if I got somewhere to go, I don't like to go sweat. But yeah, that's what I do before the gym. I eat my meal prep, I do my shake, I do the whole skin thing to protect my face. And it works. Sometimes I pre-make it in the morning so if I have time so that I don't have to do it now. Or I put the powder in, leave it in the bottle, and then put the water in, you know, last minute so I don't have to do all that. Like, as you saw, I don't know if it focused right, but as you saw, it like, the powder just goes everywhere. So if I put it in and cap it, it doesn't do that. And this, I heard they changed their formula for this, but I hope you enjoyed my video. I need to leave, like, yesterday. That's it, I think. I don't know. I always forget something. Bye.